Hello guys! Eating fresh vegetables is essential for our health. We have to eat our greens before we have dessert. Let's learn the names of vegetables and herbs together. Tomato. Tomato. This is me. My name is Tomato. My color is red and I am delicious and juicy.
Corn. Corn. Hi guys. I am corn. I'm very tasty.
Bell pepper. Bell pepper. I am bell pepper and I have different colors like red, green, orange, yellow.
Onion. Onion. We are onions. And sometimes we make you cry.
Mushroom. Mushroom.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin. I'm a happy pumpkin. I am an autumn fruit.
Red pepper. Red pepper. Spinach. Spinach. I am healthy and delicious spinach.
Olive. Olive.
We are red and green olives. Parsley. Parsley. I am parsley. Parsnip. Parsnip. We are parsnips or yellow carrots.
Zucchini. Zucchini. I am zucchini.
Carrot. Carrot. I am the carrot and I am good for your eyesight. Red cabbage. Red cabbage. I am red cabbage. You eat me in salads. Cabbage. Cabbage. Hello, we are also cabbage.
Lettuce. Lettuce. Hey guys. I am lettuce. I am your best friend.
Broccoli. Broccoli. I am a healthy broccoli.
Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a type of vegetables.
Cauliflower is very delicious.
Green peas. Green peas. We are delicious green peas.
Eggplant. Eggplant. These eggplants are fresh and healthy. Enjoy eating them. Wow. Wow.
Celery. Celery. Hello my friends, I am celery.
Potato. Potato. I am potato.
Leek. Leek. Hey guys. My name is leek. I am among the green vegetables and have many benefits for your body.
Radish. Radish. Hello dear. My name is Radish.
Green onion. Green onion. I am green onion or spring onion. Lime. Lime. I'm a lime and my taste is sour.
Cucumber. Cucumber. Hello friends. I am cucumber. I am green and very tasty.
Garlic. Garlic. I am good for your body, but I don't smell good.
Avocado. Avocado. My name is Avocado. My friends, be sure to use vegetables in your diet, because they are necessary for the growth of your body. Goodbye, my little friends. Bye.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to introduce us to your friends.